Meaning of hoarseness.
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 Hoarseness. Hoarseness refers to abnormal changes in the voice that make it sound rough, breathy, strained, or weak. This condition is often caused by irritation or inflammation of the voice box, commonly known as the larynx, which can result from a variety of factors such as infections, allergies, acid reflux, smoking, or overuse of the voice. Hoarseness may significantly affect a person's ability to communicate effectively, and it is often accompanied by discomfort or pain in the throat. Treatment depends on the underlying cause and may involve rest, medication, lifestyle modifications, or surgery.